Hey, how are you? You appear fantastic today. In a remarkable individual. Because you may utilize the money to enjoy even more incredible adventures, you deserve an awesome way to make money online. Holidays, vehicles, food, attire, footwear, and other lovely things. That being the case, one of your finest choices was to go forward. And the website will be our first visit after that. How well your website performs on search engines, such as Google, Ghouls.com, and Mangles. How likely is it that someone will go to your website? How simple is it for them to find Nate, put a cover over it, and stop there? Therefore, your first step should be to just visit mygoals.com, where you can read more if you so choose. Dispose of the video immediately, carry out this action, and I'll be ready for you. Move on to the following phase. Step 2 is to welcome you back. Therefore, now that you are aware of what Mangles performs, you must sign up for free. So click here, then scroll to the top of the page. And that will lead you to a page that is like this one. You must also provide your email address in order to create an account. Make a password, choose I'm not a Robin Hood, and then proceed to make an account for My Mangles. When you do, your Mangles account should successfully log in and look somewhat like this. The dashboard appears here. So, that's it for now. Just visit mangles.com and register for a free account. I'll be waiting for you as well. The third step is to launch Google, leaving it open for the time being. It will soon begin to use it. Just copy anything first. That's all. It's time for you to access Google there now that it's available. Return to Mangles and you will see this affiliates action over here on the left-hand side. You can sign up for their affiliate program, which offers recurring monthly commissions at a rate of 30%. Returning to their pricing structure, you can see that the $69 per month option is the most popular one, translating to about $2.07 per person each month. You mention it, but that's only from one person. The fifth step is for those that require improved SEO, higher rankings, and more website traffic. Cool. Profit from this instrument, but have sufficient funds to evaluate which yields the highest profits and the best outcomes by, for instance, investing in search results. So you are free to do anything else, including step number 6, which involves picking random locations from a map. You will therefore be able to see your contact information on 99% of these websites when you open some of them. On the website, either at the top or bottom. To offer them, simply locate their email address or any other means of communication. Link to our affiliate in Hell album. Now that I'm not able to legally provide you any script, and that would even be a terrible thing because everyone would use the same script, I'll instead work with you to write your own, which is far better and will result in a much greater conversion rate. Therefore, you may persuade them to click on your affiliate link, which directs them to Mangles, where they can join up and you will get paid, with just one straightforward message.